Hello, welcome to the perspective. Today we are going to create a decoration piece with snowman and snow trees. First of all, we will edit that cube and we will select top edges. Then by clicking Ctrl B on keyboard, we will edit that edges, and by scrolling mouse wheel we can adjust that edges. By clicking shift we will select corner edges. Because we don't need any sharp edges, then we will click Ctrl B and we will adjust that points. Now we need to create different shape for our snowman. We create face and eyes by using sphere. We will add a cone for snowman's nose. We know for a snowman we need different type of horn shaped branches. For this purpose we will add cylinder, and then we will edit that cylinder in different directions to create a branch or horn shaped structure. We will create a tree. We will add a cone, then we will change its vertices, and then we will edit it. This is our base. We will add all components and all scene on this little stage. In rendering mode, my scene is not good because of light. I am going to change this spotlight to sun, and I am decreasing its value because it's too high. Now it's time to change shading, colors and the textures of objects on this scene. Follow me. I'm creating material for my tree. We will change that by default color, which one is white. Look at this. First I am going to change its roughness to 0. Now it's time to change its transmission from 0 to 1 or maximum. And we need a transparent glass, like transparent glass texture. Then we will add a mix shader and we will add a transparent shader. I'm going to connect it with mix shader. Nothing happened because it is EVE rendering. We need to change EVE to cycle render. You can see our cone or top of the tree is little bit transparent. You can change it from transparent to diffuse. I'm applying this tree texture to all the branches. I will apply same material techniques with snowman. Nothing happened because we need to change transmission and roughness value. Now I'm going to select snowman's head, then I'm going to change material value same as its body. I hope you learn basics. Now you can do whatever you want. Like you can edit all the texture and materials and objects on the scene. You can replace different things on different locations. Now I'm going to create a box shape structure for outer body of this decoration piece. We need to add same transparent texture on this object, but we will change its transparency to very low because we need to see through it. It is very necessary to implement different kind of experiments on your product.